What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video today of Cephalo-Ed. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to make a fun fact video for you today. Another one. Last fun fact video, I really had a blast making that for you. So today I want to make another one for you because it was really fun. And this one's a very interesting topic. And it is, why do octopuses have blue blood? Well, that's a fantastic question. Why do they have blue blood? So let's get right into the video and figure out why they have blue blood. Here we go. Why do octopuses have blue blood? So, octopuses have a transported protein called a hemocyanin, which is copper-based and turns their blood blue. So, unlike humans, we have red blood. But why do we have red blood? Well, we have iron in our bloodstream, which, if iron is exposed to oxygen, it begins to rust. But unlike in our body, when iron is exposed to oxygen, it begins to turn red. So that is why we have red blood, and there's a whole lot more chemistry that goes behind that. But this is just a simpler version of why we have red blood, and also why octopuses have blue blood. And just like the iron button said, now replacing it with copper, when copper is when copper is exposed to oxygen, it begins to turn blue. But now let's see what makes hemocyanin so important to octopuses. Well, it is able to bind oxygen, which means kind of takes it and carries it around from the lungs to the bloodstream and to the cells, but also to the tissues of the body. And right there, from just that sentence, it tells you that hemocyanin is a very key part for octopuses to survive and live. Basically, without this cephalopod, octopuses will die. So this is a key part to octopuses. Because octopuses have blue blood, it gives a huge advantage that not most animals have. They can survive in very harsh environments. For example, we have our hydrothermal vents, which can reach up to temperatures to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and can exceed over that. For example, like 600 degrees Fahrenheit. That's one of the top temperatures a hydrothermal vent reaches. It's pretty insane. But a species of octopuses actually live in that environment, which is actually called the Vulcan octopus. And then some octopuses live in waters as cold as negative 30 degrees Fahrenheit. And that, for example, can be the Antarctic octopus. And they can alter the hemocyanin concentration by 40% to compensate and survive in the extreme polar waters. So this is why hemocyanin is also so very, very important for cephalopods. Well, octopuses in very cold waters. So more tropical octopuses, they have a good abundance of hemocyanin, but for octopuses that live in very cold waters, like negative 30 degrees Fahrenheit, they have a higher percentage, 40% higher abundance of hemocyanin in their body. So meaning, because in very cold waters that octopuses live in, the oxygen binds a lot to hemocyanin, more than usual. So if they don't have enough hemocyanin to transport that oxygen around, because the oxygen is so cramped onto the hemocyanin, that octopus can die. So a huge, awesome engineering thing that came along through evolution for octopuses is they began to have more abundance of hemocyanin. So it was able to take some of that oxygen and begin to absorb where it takes in and moves it around more and takes all that oxygen. So it was able to go through the whole entire body to support the octopus. So it is truly amazing how these octopuses have evolved to have more abundance of hemocyanin. So it is truly magnificent. But now I'm going to show you guys two pictures of the Antarctic octopus and a Vulcan octopus so you can get a picture of what they look like. So here's the Antarctic octopus, and it is truly beautiful looking. The colors on it are just awesome, and just kind of absorb the beautiful octopus for a second, but just It's so beautiful. And then we have our Vulcan octopus, and this one's personally one of my favorites, probably because I love the name Vulcan, and plus it kind of reminds me of the Aston Martin Vulcan. If you guys don't know what that is, it's one of my favorite Aston Martins. But you can definitely tell that the Vulcan octopus lives in very warm waters. Why? Because it has a transparent skin. And with that transparent skin, you're able to kind of see more inside of the internal structures of the body. And also, too, if you look around the background of the octopus, these are awesome tube structures, which are also known as tube worms, which only live in these hydrothermal vent environments. So it is truly awesome. And that is actually about it for today's video, guys. It was a nice quick video to give you a nice awesome explanation to why octopuses have blue blood. And that's going to be it for today. But before we end it, please like, subscribe, share, comment. If you guys are newcomers and like the video but have not subscribed, please do so so you can support this channel to get it closer to 1,000 subscribers and more people will be able to see it and become octo nerds like us. So that would be absolutely awesome. And otherwise, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll catch you guys up on the next video.